Hello, my name is Sai Vipparla. I'm from Milford, Connecticut, and I attend Notre Dame High School. My invention is the Petsthetic. The Petsthetic is a 3D printed pet prosthetic that is affordable, customizable, and economically friendly. 50% of pets over the age of 10 will die from cancer. 85% of the pets who are diagnosed with bone cancer are victims of osteosarcoma. When a pet develops osteosarcoma or any other cancer in the leg, the owner is left with two choices: to either let the pet live the rest of its life suffering from cancer, or to let the pet get the leg amputated. Now the owner has to decide whether or not to fit their pet with the prosthetic. Although many veterinarians will say the pet's adapt to 3 legs and can do almost anything a regular pet can do, this is not entirely true. Many pets with 3 legs have to go on a strict diet to prevent any further damage to their joints. They are also much more likely to suffer from spine problems, chronic pains, injuries, and even arthritis. The reason many owners don't buy prosthetics is because of the cost. On average, prosthetics for a pet cost between $1,200 to $2,000. The manufacturing process is also very wasteful and time-consuming. The current methods use metals, plaster, and plastic molds. On top of that, it takes 4 to 6 weeks to make a single prosthetic. Petsthetic, on the other hand, is much cheaper, environmentally conscious, and takes much less time to manufacture. Petsthetic is a 3D printed prosthetic that functions just as well, if not better than, a traditional prosthetic. The Petsthetic is 10 individual pieces assembled to simulate the pet's normal walking pattern. By making prosthetics so similar to a real leg, the rehabilitation time is greatly reduced, from months to days. However, the price is the biggest selling point. While traditional prosthetics cost thousands, Petsthetic can be made for less than $10. One of the most impressive parts of the Petsthetic, other than the price, is its customizability. Since it is a 3D file, every part of the Petsthetic is easily customizable as needed. Not only is the Petsthetic cheap and adaptable, it is also environmentally friendly. The ABS used to make Petsthetic is very strong and does not degrade in the presence of water, while still being very efficient to print with. Additionally, 3D printing uses additive manufacturing versus the subtractive manufacturing currently used. As you can see here, we have two greatly different sized pets and 2 greatly different sized pet prosthetic parts. When combined, we have a clamp, a stump, an artificial knee, and even paws. Every pet deserves the best possible life, and by not providing a prosthetic, we are doing a disservice to the victims of cancer or any other unfortunate event. By providing cheaper, less wasteful, environmentally friendly prosthetics, Petsthetic can enrich the lives of thousands of pets. Thank you for your time.